In this video, we're looking at how you can change your photo and videos. So you're going to want to go into your quick settings and access your settings. From there, you're going to want to scroll down and click on your camera button. From here, you can see at the very top, this is where your photo settings are. You can change that photo aspect ratio. We got square, we got our landscape and portrait. Next section covers our audio for our video recording, and then our video recording is right here. So you can change which eye that's recording, you can change the image stabilization, you can change again your aspect ratio here, our landscape, portrait, square. You can change the frame rate and the bit rate all right here as well. So hopefully this will help you take some better quality photos or images and videos on your Quest headset. If you didn't know, there is a shortcut using your controller. Hold down that meta button, and if you tap the front trigger, it'll take a photo. If you hold the front trigger for a couple seconds, then it'll take a video for you. So you don't have to always go back to the menu to take a photo or a video. On the main menu, you can hit that camera button though, and then you can see you can hit record or take a photo, and that's easy for you right there as well. So thanks for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.